Hey, so what is similar to Jungle Scout extension, the Jungle Scout Chrome extension that helps you with product research, product validation? What are the alternatives? Are there any competitors? Let's check it out in this video. In the description, you're going to find the link to download the Jungle Scout extension, the best discounts for Jungle Scout, a tutorial that shows you how to use the extension. Personally, I like this extension. It's pretty good. Maybe you need some alternatives and you're seeking for other options. I'm going to share them with you in this video. And let's get going. My name is Bob Evans, seller on Amazon. Great to meet you. Since 2016, I'm on the platform, still there. So Jungle Scout, alternatives to the extension, any stuff like this extension. So first one I have for you is the one by Helium 10. It's also going to be available for you down in the description, free to use. Of course, the free version is quite limited, but also have free trial and best discounts for Helium 10 and a playlist with over 200 tutorials, as well as a video that shows you how to use the extension. I use this extension the most. So for me, it's like Jungle Scout and Helium 10 is the most used extensions for myself, but some people prefer this, some people prefer the other one. So this is the one by Helium 10. It's an option and it's an extension like Jungle Scout. The other option that is quite popular is AMZScout extension. It actually has even more ratings here. I think it's the top rate extension, well, at least between the ones that we're seeing here. Although there are way more users for Helium 10, there's over 1 million users for the Helium 10 one, 400,000 for Jungle Scout, and for our second option, AMZScout, 200,000 users. So in the description, you also have the link to download this extension for free, the best discounts for AMZScout, and a tutorial that shows you how to use the extension, A to Z, and playlist of different tutorials. Also recently, this third option, the one by Viral Launch, is back into game. They were kind of absent, and maybe after Casey, the guy, the Beanie CEO, left, there were some changes. I don't know, honestly, but now they're back to business. They're more active, so you can check out their extension as well, similar to Jungle Scout. As you can see, way less users, maybe because they're kind of getting back to the game now. It's going to grow. My honestly personal ones are Helium 10 and Jungle Scout, so the best discounts for all these, and including Viral Launch as well. There's also a tutorial of how to use the extension. It's all in the description. And for me, Jungle Scout is totally fine. Also is Helium 10. These are my two favorites that I'm using most of the time. It's also legit. AMZScout and Viral Launch is kind of getting back to things, so their market intelligence can be helpful for you as well. Check out all the links down in the description of this video, and here on the screen you are going to find a video tutorials playlist for all of them. So you're going to see playlist for Helium 10, for Jungle Scout, for AMZScout, and for Viral Launch as well. So I'm wishing you a great day, and hopefully it's going to be helpful for you. So stay healthy, stay good, stay well. Let's go.